know man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the new year. Happy New Year's, you guys. Welcome back to the very first video of 2023. So today is Wednesday, January 4th. I have gotten a very late start into vlogging this year, but well, first and foremost, let me explain. I did not finish Vlogmas, you guys. I had been telling you guys that I had a really bad toothache. Bert had gotten super sick. It was just a mess, like a mess. My toothache was so bad that I couldn't eat. Like, it still hurts. I still haven't gone to the doctor. Hashtag scared of the dentist. Terrified is an understatement, but I'm so scared of the dentist. I will not go until I'm like dying, and I was very close to doing so on Friday, but I didn't go. And then we had a lot of family over, staying over here at my mom's house, so it was just like chaotic, and it would have been too much if I had like put vlogging on top of that also. So I just told myself, you know what, enjoy your family. They're never here like this. We had family from out of town. My sister, her husband were here, so it was just a lot, and I'm super grateful, super blessed that we were able to, like, you know, spend the holidays with family and stuff. Yeah, but now we are kicking it back into the new year. I have a last minute makeup appointment come up this morning, so it is 10:21. She's gonna be at the studio at 11, so I'm on my way to do that, and then afterwards I have to go to the store, buy a couple things, and then yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys along our day, just because it's the first day that I actually like do something, because I've literally been stuck at the house. Grecia is still out on school vacation. She doesn't go back to school till next week, so we still have a couple more days to hang out with her. I'm going to stop here real quick to get hopefully lash glue and some clips for the hair. Okay, I didn't have any luck with the lash glue, but that's fine. I just wanted something extra. I still have some, and I got some clips for the hair because I'm also going to be doing her hair, and I don't know what it's called, that kind of comb, but I got a comb as well. So let's go now. Hello. Last minute makeup appointment turned into a last minute a last minute photo shoot with Jay Snaps. Now we're eating some pizza for lunch. The girls are in the back. So your child is saying that she's gonna sleep over.
Yeah, she's gonna go sleep over at my house. Like these.
Okay.
Those over there. I gotta help Joe put them in the package. I gotta help Joe put them
I give her till midnight.
Yeah, she is. Right, mommy?
Come on.
Hey, dale. Can you cry?
Oh my gosh.
I'm it from Stranger Things. Ah. I can't see him. I can only see.
Okay. So we are on our way to the store because I have to go buy stuff to make dinner, and I don't have anything to make, so I'm gonna go buy some. But it was a very productive day so far. It is 4:05. I told you guys that I had the last minute makeup session, which then turned into a last minute photo shoot for Wendy as well. The couple that you guys saw in the video, the lady is the one whose makeup I did. She's actually the parade marshal for Zapata, so they need like their kind of like headshots taken for the parade banner and all of the like stuff that they have to, like all of the pictures that they have to put up at the arena. So that is why we did all of that. But we're on our way to the store right now to pick up the fixings to make dinner, and that's it. So I also did a new intro for my channel, which I'm pretty sure you guys already saw, so let me know what you guys think. These are the banana ones.
Okay, one banana. I got some moon pie, baby. Some tomatoes, but I'm not gonna show them. And some lettuce, right?
That one and another one. Do you want? No, that one's not on sale. Just those two. Which ones do you want?
Please say hi to the vlog. Hi, everyone!
Okay, so made it home. Real quick, before my battery dies, I'm going to show you guys everything that we got. So we got cotton candy, 2 pounds of stew meat. I got some cilantro, some hot nuts. These mixed with vinegar and salt. Chef's kiss. Garlic salt for spaghetti. Some tomatoes, lemon, 3 banana moon pies. I got a sack of potatoes. The girls wanted some chocolate, so Brie got a Kit Kat and Grecia wanted an Almond Joy. I got some Tabasco sauce to make with my ceviche. 2 of these Vienna sausages, Grecia's favorite thing in the world to snack on. I feel like every kid loves to snack on these. I know I did as a kid. Pay me to eat them now and I won't. I got some fideo. These are coditos, and then I got 2 packs of coditos, the Nor ones that are already like pre-made, and then I got 2 fideo for quick and easy dinners. I got 2 little boxes of round toothpicks, and then I got some lemon pepper seasoning because we ran out. I got 2 of these Kool-Aid jammers, tropical punch, because they were 2 for $6. And then I got Grecia these flavored sodas, and that's pretty much all I got from Bordertown today. You guys, it is 11:30 at night. 11:30. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm texting my sister-in-law, asking her. Grecia ended up leaving. I didn't end up making dinner. We ended up getting takeout. Grecia left after all. She left with Wendy and Brie, and she doesn't want to come home. It's our first night without her, and I'm just like, what? I can't sleep without her. It feels so weird knowing that she's not here with us. So I'm going to wait because I have a feeling that at some point throughout the night she's gonna call us and she's gonna tell us to go pick her up. So I'm probably not gonna get the best sleep, and I have really bad separation anxiety right now. She's only ever stayed with my mom, like if we have to go out, but she stays at home. So it's like her first night not staying at home, and I know she's in good hands. I'm just freaking out a little bit, but we're gonna go to bed. It's 11:30. We're actually gonna watch another movie. We just saw the movie called Trade on Tubi. So good. That's probably why I have anxiety. It's about just go watch it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning.
3 hours later. Next morning.
What time did you call us to pick you up? It was 1:30.
1:30.
And where did you sleep?
In Mommy's bed.
Where are you supposed to sleep?
In my bed.
It was a huge fail. We'll try again.